everyone, I'm Jenny. Welcome to Shengen channel. We are a global sheet metal manufacturing company dedicated to helping enterprises bring customized products to life faster and more intelligently. Today, we're diving into the world of metal stamping, what it is, how it works, and why it's essential in modern manufacturing. So, what exactly is metal stamping? Metal stamping is a manufacturing process that uses dies and high-tonnage presses to transform flat sheet metal into specific shapes. It's widely used to create everything from brackets and enclosures to complex automotive and electronic components. Here's how it works: It all starts with a sheet of metal, usually steel, aluminum, copper, or stainless steel. The sheet is placed into a stamping press where it's shaped by a custom die. Depending on the complexity of the part, the process may involve one or more stamping operations, such as blanking, cutting the metal into the desired outline, bending, forming angles or curves, punching, creating holes or cutouts, deep drawing, pulling metal into a 3D shape like a box or can, and more, all with high repeatability and efficiency. What makes metal stamping stand out? It's fast, precise, and cost-effective, especially for high-volume production. Once the tooling is set up, thousands of identical parts can be made with consistent quality. At Shengen, we specialize in both rapid prototyping and mass production using metal stamping. Our team has over a decade of hands-on experience. We help our global clients bring their custom parts from design to production faster and smarter. Whether it's electrical enclosures, mounting brackets, or any custom component, we've got the capability and the capacity. We combine advanced machinery, skilled engineers, and strict quality control to ensure every part we stamp meets your exact requirements. And yes, we support a wide range of industries, from automotive and aerospace to consumer electronics and medical devices. So if you're looking for a reliable partner for your sheet metal stamping needs, we're here to help. Want to learn more? Visit our website or get in touch with our team for a custom quote. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into precision manufacturing. See you in the next video.